Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ENVOUS S530 wireless Bluetooth monopod. This is the package that it comes in. It's a very basic package. You can see what we have here. There is a charging cord and this is a monopod right over here. Let me just take it out of the pack. This is the charging cable. On one end of this charging cable, a very small charging cable by the way. On one end you have this USB-A plug. So this can be charged via a USB adapter or even with a laptop or a PC. On the other end, this is the part that will go inside over here, like so, when you want to charge it. Speaking of the monopod, so this is what it looks like. This is a half in-ear design monopod. It's designed to go inside, well, from I think it can go inside. Actually, it can go inside both your ears. It's designed in such a way. This wing over here can go up or down depending on your preference and alignment. Now once again, this is a monopod. It comes with this one button over here. Let's see what happens when I press this button. Okay, you see it's already blinking, which basically means it's now in pairing mode. I'll quickly see if I can actually pair it by going to the Bluetooth settings page on my smartphone. I'm getting a Bluetooth music option. Let me just click on that and see if this actually works. Yeah, I think I heard a tone. It says 40% battery. Let me play some music and see if this works. So yeah, it is working perfectly. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the ENVOUS S530 wireless Bluetooth monopod. Thank you for watching.